Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. Leadership is changing. The world no longer needs bosses who command. It needs leaders who connect, understand and include. Today's success isn't defined by how much authority you have, but by how many people you empower. And that is where inclusive leadership comes in. Inclusive leadership means building a workplace where everyone's voice matters, where ideas flow freely, and where differences become sources of strength, not division. In this changing business world, companies that value inclusion are leading the race, not only in innovation but also in profitability and trust. To guide this transformation, there is a global framework, ISO 30415-2021, Human Resource Management, Diversity and Inclusion. This international standard helps organizations and leaders embed inclusion into every part of the workplace. In this video, we will explore how ISO 30415 shapes the future of leadership, making it more human, more inclusive, and more successful. Now, understanding inclusive leadership. Let's first understand what inclusive leadership really means. An inclusive leader isn't someone who just hires diverse people. They create an environment where everyone feels respected, heard, and valued. Such leaders are self-aware. They recognize their own biases and actively work to reduce them. They invite different perspectives, ask for opinions, and make sure no voice is left behind. Inclusive leaders build trust, empathy, and belonging. They ask questions like, who else needs to be part of this conversation? Am I giving equal opportunity to all? Are my decisions influenced by bias? In short, we can say that inclusive leadership is leadership with empathy, fairness, and openness. It is about leading with both the mind and the heart, balancing performance and people. Now, how ISO 30415 guides inclusive leadership? So, where does ISO 30415 comes into picture? ISO 30415 gives organization and leaders a structured roadmap to implement diversity and inclusion effectively. It is not just about saying we support inclusion. It is about proving it through systems, policies, and behavior. The standard is based on key principles such as respect for human rights and equality. Every person deserves fair treatment. Valuing diversity. Differences bring strength and creativity. Inclusive systems and processes. Every process from hiring to decision-making must be fair. Eliminating bias and discrimination. Leaders must actively remove barriers. Accountability and continuous improvement. Inclusion is everyone's responsibility. Through ISO 30415, leaders can measure their progress, find gaps, and build strategies that truly make workplace inclusive and fair. Inclusive leaders, innovative companies. Now let's talk about the magic link between inclusion and innovation. When people from different backgrounds work together, they bring unique experiences, ideas, and viewpoints. Inclusive leaders know how to blend these differences into something powerful, creativity. Innovation happens when people feel safe to share their ideas. Inclusive leaders create psychological safety, a space where employees can speak without fear, ask questions, or admit mistakes without judgment. And some research found out that inclusive teams outperform their peers by 80%, and employees who feel included are 17% more likely to innovate. When people feel respected, they don't just work harder, they think smarter. For example, Google's inclusive culture helped create products like live caption and voice typing, designed for accessibility but loved by millions. That is how inclusion drives innovation and connects with customers everywhere. Now let's have a look on the qualities of an inclusive leader. What exactly makes a leader inclusive? Let's look at 6 core qualities every inclusive leader must develop, all aligned with ISO 30415 principles. First is empathy, understanding and sharing the feelings of others. Then courage, speaking up against bias or unfairness even when it is hard. Curiosity, being genuinely interested in different perspectives. Accountability, taking responsibility for one's actions and decisions. Cultural intelligence, adapting to and respecting diverse cultures. Commitment, consistently promoting inclusion in every action. These traits aren't optional anymore. They define the kind of leaders who will thrive in the future. The future of leadership is inclusive. The leaders of the future won't be defined by titles or power, but by their ability to listen, connect, and empower others. Inclusive leadership isn't a nice to have skill anymore. It is essential for success. It leads to stronger teamwork, smarter decisions, better customer loyalty, and sustainable profitability. ISO 30415 is the compass guiding this transformation. It gives leaders a clear structure to create workplaces that value fairness, belonging, and innovation. So if you want to be a great leader, start by including others, because true leadership isn't about standing above people, it is about lifting them up. In the end, inclusion isn't just good for people, it is great for business, great for innovation, and great for the future. Leadership is not about control, it is about connection. Inclusion isn't a trend, it is the future. Let's build organizations where every person's voice shapes success. Together we can lead with purpose, equality, and respect. And thanks for watching this detailed session, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TMB Academy.